A federal appeals court panel has handed Wegmans Food Markets what amounts to a $1 million win in a tax-related breach of contract case. At issue was a claim by Tax Matrix Technologies LLC that Wegmans owes it $1.37 million for work in reducing the grocery chain's tax obligations to Maryland. Pennsylvania-based Tax Matrix asked the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 3rd Circuit to grant a new trial in the case after a U.S. Eastern District Court jury awarded it only $351,551 in damages against Wegmans, which is headquartered in Rochester, NY. The case hinges on a deal Tax Matrix struck with Wegmans in 2009, according to an opinion by Middle District Judge Robert B. Mariani, who was on special assignment to the 3rd Circuit. That deal called for Tax Matrix to receive 25% of any tax saving it secured for Wegmans. In 2012, Maryland officials informed Wegmans it owed $4.6 million in sales and use taxes. State auditors later noticed an error in their calculations and revised that figure to $2.15 million. Mariani cited testimony by a Tax Matrix employee that she played no role in securing the reduction. Then Maryland officials found a math error and revised Wegmans' tax obligation again to just over $1 million. Tax Matrix didn't discover that math error, either, Mariani noted. Ultimately, he noted, Maryland pared Wegmans' tax deficiency bill to $255,542. Tax Matrix sued Wegmans in 2013 after Wegmans refused to pay it $1.37 million. Tax Matrix claimed it was owed that amount for the difference between Maryland's original $4.6 million tax deficiency figure and that state's final tally of $255,542. Wegmans refused to pay on grounds that Tax Matrix hadn't secured all of the tax savings. It claimed it owed only $228,631 for work Tax Matrix actually performed, Mariani noted. On appeal to the 3rd Circuit, Tax Matrix argued the jury's refusal to award it the full $1.37 million constituted miscarriage of justice. Even though the jury found Wegmans breached the contract, it wasn't required to award Tax Matrix all the money it sought, Mariani concluded. He found the jury's damage figure is valid since the evidence supports a finding that the starting point for calculating Tax Matrix's fee can be based upon the reductions for which Tax Matrix was itself responsible, and not those errors that Tax Matrix failed to identify.